Hello everybody, today I decided I'm going to make a tutorial to show you how to play Pikmin on your PC without using an emulator, mostly because I was just recently asked to do this, so I figured it might be a good idea to make a video about it. So, to start off, what you're going to need is a Pikmin ISO file. You can download one of those from the internet, but since you're obviously going to need that because that's where the exe is. So to start, you're going to take your ISO, and what you need to do is you need to extract all the files from it into a folder. So I just have it in the same folder as the ISO. So to do that, you're going to need an emulator, but you're not going to need to actually run it, so you don't have to worry about that. So you're going to open Dolphin, and you're going to have to put Pikmin into Dolphin like this by clicking Browse and finding wherever that is. And then you're going to right-click on it, Properties, File System, you're going to go to Disk and just click Extract All Files. And what that's going to do, it's going to ask you where you want to extract it to. I'm not going to, because I already have that done, obviously. But you can just extract it to like a folder like I have, just named Pikmin or something simple like that. Okay, so now that you have your the entire game's files extracted into a folder, you are going to need to download this msvcrtd.dll. You have to be very careful searching online to find this DLL. I mean, you could probably find it with a Google search, you just have to make sure, because these are normally infested with viruses, so you have to be very careful, because it can mess up your computer. But I'm not going to leave a link for it, just because I don't want to take any responsibility if someone accidentally messes up their computer. But it shouldn't be too hard to find. Anyway, what you do, you have to have this, and you have to have a certain version of it. So these are the three versions that will work to run this with. To figure out what version you have to download it, right-click, Properties. You're going to go to Details, and it's going to tell you right here, File Version. And as you can see, I have 6.0.9782.0. So that is one of the DLLs that will work, the version that will work. So you're going to need one of those. After you do that, you're going to come into the files you recently extracted. There's going to be a folder named Plugins. What you're going to do is you're going to right-click, and you're going to make a new folder. And you're going to name the new folder Plugins 2. Take everything from Plugins and put it into Plugins 2. Then make a new folder just called Plugins and leave that empty. Okay, so after that, you're almost ready. All you have to do, you come to your sysbootup.exe, you're going to right-click and create shortcut, because you have to have it as a shortcut. But before you can run this, you have to right-click this, Properties, and you're going to have to add a little bit onto this target index thing. What you're going to do, it's going to end right here with these little quotation marks. What you're going to do is you're going to add plus, and then space, and then everything I have here, all the way up to Picky Game, and you're gonna add all that into this target folder, and after that, just click OK, and you should be done. I don't think it works. You can't really run this. You have to run the shortcut, but if you run the shortcut, it'll start Pikmin. So again, it's not really a way to actually play the game if you wanted to. It's just kind of a neat little thing. It's a weird debugging kind of file thing, but it's still cool to see that you can still run this and actually play it on a PC without having to use an emulator. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching. Bye.